Living on the Morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's a little bit of a sad day today because we're actually getting rid of one of our cars. Well, actually not me personally, but my roommate Shane is. I just came out here to say my goodbyes. Shane's actually gonna be getting rid of this thing. The Mustang. Just kidding. The G37 is leaving, guys. You probably won't see it on this channel anymore. So, yeah. Why? Why again?
I don't know, I don't need 3 cars.
No, that's true, man.
Yeah.
Plus, you've had this for how long?
9 years.
9 years.
It's been a while, yeah.
I mean, it's completely paid off. He's done everything he's wanted to it. To like,
what else to do, you know?
Exactly.
And
I don't know.
I don't want to put any more money into it, so put some money into Bitcoin.
Yeah, exactly. Other investments.
Yeah.
I feel like the money you'll get from selling this car, you can actually start the rest of your future. More car parts for that thing.
Yeah, it's a bittersweet moment, but
yeah,
I'm okay with it.
Exactly. I might play a nice little memory montage here.
I will remember you.
Woo! This G37, Shane's actually going to be selling to this kid right down the street. So yeah, I'll come follow behind you so you have a ride home. But that's it. That's all, guys. Yeah, no more. Damn. Yeah. Pretty crazy, man. You guys aren't gonna be seeing that G37 on this channel anymore. So sad. Enjoy the ride. Damn. Or I really hope he sells it. Oh man, that's it, that's all. Well,
Hey, is this for sale? I'd like to buy this now.
oh my goodness. Okay, gimme.
gimme.
Bro, I saw the handshake.
Yeah.
It's cool. I'm gonna go congratulate them.
They're like, who are you? He said he actually owned a G37 before. So he wanted to get back into it, and he's like, this one's way more done up than my other one I had.
Yeah, the previous one?
So I was like, yeah, like, this is it.
Dang.
That's the way she goes, man.
Yo, good job.
Hit points coming soon, guys.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, I'm not wearing it. That's all they need from me? I know, right? Yeah, I know, before they change their mind. Yo, before you buy that G, there's one thing that I want to tell you guys about.
And he was in an accident.
Yo, I have to go that way.
Oh, because of the speed bumps.
Yeah, that and it's way too steep for me.
I told him, I was like, be careful of the speed bumps over there. A little more, I think.
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
620 maybe.
Okay, next car, now that you have a down payment. How are you feeling inside?
I don't know. I feel okay. I feel fine, man.
Yeah, you lived out your years.
It might hit me later, but
what? You're gonna try to sleep tonight?
dude, to be honest, the coolest part on that car was probably the hood. Was my
and
favorite.
headlights.
The headlights were probably second.
Yeah, everything else like fully bolt on, like those
Yeah.
first. Yeah, I'd say that's what made it different, you know.
The next thing I was gonna do was like tune it, but I tried to get in touch with the guys and they were like taking forever to reply, and like I won't get too much since it's not even boosted.
Yeah.
So
Yo,
like, you know what?
next is Eddie. I seen him trying to
Get the M2.
Yeah, and trying to put his Nismo up for sale.
He's actually put it up for sale.
Yeah.
Really?
Okay, guys. Go on, excuse me. We have some packages to deliver. You're coming with. Wait. Go on, not yet. Not yet. Stick your head back in there, please. Excuse me. Oh my God. Excuse me. Don't worry, you're coming. All right, I'm gonna load this up into the XB, bring it to the post office, and then today's plan, we're just gonna keep finessing the RX-8 wide body kit. Mostly the front, like the whole lines kit is actually ready for paint. It's just the front fender pieces that I still gotta customize somehow to make fit with the Series 1 and also a different style front bumper. One sec, go Jen. Oh my God. Like, where's that? Whatever, I'll fix that at the garage. Come on out. Yo, go on. Who's that? Kelly Green gang. I would still love to get all of the Kelly Green cars together. It'll take some effort though. I need friends. Or I guess just like one other person, and then just bring all of them to one location. Anyways, we'll see you guys at the garage. Finally time to choose a winner for the carbon seat raffle giveaway that I was raffling a month or two ago. I have to go through the effort of going through all of the legitimate entries and then putting them into a random name picker. Just grab all the names. Can go into a random name picker, paste. That work? Yeah. Alright. So there's our entries. Alright guys, we're gonna go live for this one. We are here at the old garage. I've gathered all of the names, the legitimate entries, and we're gonna do the giveaway live right now for you guys. Oh, where's the Henny? What the hell, dude? I've gathered all of the names that are eligible for this giveaway, and there's a lot, okay? All of these. Also, guys, you're on vlog, so say hi. And again, this, sorry, let me turn that around here. Guys, again, most of our giveaway contests are only available to North Americans just because shipping for bigger items like a car seat is gonna be way too expensive. Sorry. That's it, guys. There's about 762 entries. And then we're only gonna choose one winner. Pick random names. Only one winner. Here we go. Pick random name, let's go. Mohammed Khan. Okay, dude. Mohammed, you are the winner of this one of one Takata seat. You guys are my witnesses. This dude won, okay? I only chose once. And as you can see, let's see how many entries that guy actually had. Whoa, okay. Yeah, that guy bought a lot. But that's it. Okay, guys, let's interact a bit. How come this isn't going down? For those of you who aren't familiar with this garage, let me show you a little tour. Okay, so up here, this is actually my old mezzanine area. Just a small work area, barely any tables up here because we moved most of everything. This was actually meant to be where all the magic happened, and it actually did for the past several years. Here, you have just extra car parts and the furnace. Nothing special. This is pretty special. This is a bag from Tokyo Auto Salon. All the Japanese goods in here. This is how crazy Liberty Walk's apparel campaign is. They have their own zine. This is how you advertise your next drops. Anyways, ideas. For those of you guys who don't know, Initial D actually does have a continuation. Then I built this little countertop so that I can work and also have a view of my projects. Am I going to Driven, Toronto? That's still a maybe. My entire schedule for September is gonna be so busy, it seems like. Any luck on the FC? None. Any of you guys are from Calgary and wanna buy this thing off me? I'll give you a really good deal. Oh, I lost interest in it. It's like FC or FD, and I would rather stick with this one. I've seen people do this engine swap where they actually have the whole engine under the hood still. But the way these guys mounted it, it sits just a little bit higher than it. So me and my friend Jordan from Infamous are actually working on something for the hood. Just a small little tour of the old garage. But guys, I think I'm gonna stop this live right now. Sweet. You, sir, are the winner. I'm gonna contact you in a little bit. And yeah, let's continue our day. Before I like to start anything or create prototypes, I like to begin with a sketch. With a rough sketch and a lot of Bondo, you can tackle this thing no problem. So if you remember in the last vlog, we actually cut this piece off on the front fender because it actually would have continued all the way down here and fit perfectly with a Series 2 front bumper, except we're running an aftermarket R-Magic front bumper, so this is all on us. But my idea is to basically just extend this fill this in right here. Probably extend this piece a little bit further here, but keeping this diagonal line. And then down here, we'll fill it up enough so that this gap is covered, but also we'll finesse it and extend this just a little further down here.
If we want this wheel fitment, we do have to cut more. Probably like half that. Yeah, so we're on the right track. It's just I didn't want to cut too much, you know? It's like cut a little bit, double check fitment, and then cut some more. That was the idea. Maybe half. So we'll just meet this up. Go like that. Actually do is match this line with the diagonal line on the back here. So I mean this one's a lot more steeper. So if I copy that and go like this, move that over here. Yeah. Let's extend that like this.
So right now, I'm just giving myself a decently symmetrical design by tracing one side for the other. Next, we just sand areas of the Rocket Vanya kit so that our Bondo has a textured surface to really stick onto. Now it's time for the good stuff. Honestly, this part reminds me of arts and crafts, so this is the part of car building that I really find the most joy in. Sculpting with cars. And remember, at this stage, we're really just looking to create a foundation, because we're going to be building on top of this a lot more.
Try to tell what you were thinking.
So once the Bondo has dried enough, I take my coarse file and I level it as much as I can for our next layer. Yeet!
And I know that we've been out drinking. Maybe this ain't for real. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to.
I think that's good for now. I mean, for today. We have our first layer of Bondo on, and of course we're going to be reinforcing this on the back with fiberglass resin and fiberglass cloth, just to make sure it's really structured. But, I mean, you guys get the idea, right? I mean, that's insanely close to what we sketched out earlier. Not bad. But yeah, guys, probably going to call it an early one. I did enough for today, but honestly, I just want to wait for the Bondo to completely dry before going over it again. Also, I just want to show you guys why we used plastic. I think it's dry enough, but you can actually just kind of peel it off from it, and you can see that it's actually maybe this side's better. Okay, you guys get the idea. It'll just be easier for us to peel it off. This actually should have been finished by now, but you know what? Too many projects means my efforts are diluted. I'm giving like maybe 70% in all my projects. But hey, keeps me busy and keeps me out of trouble. So yeah, save the rest for tomorrow. I'm just gonna end this video right here. Appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next vlog. I mean, like, honestly, I bet 60% of you guys who are watching this right now are on the toilet. Just scrolling through Instagram, even Eddie's trying to sell his Nismo 370Z for sale. So sad, but such low mileage.